good morning to you from the Brooke Priory School in Oakham. I'm Jackie Thompson.
And I'm Val Jones.
And we're here today to deliver a Key Stage 2 CSI workshop to the whole cohort of 3, 4, 5 and 6. And we'll check in with you later.
Bye.
Hi and welcome back to our crime scene investigation workshop. So we're all set up for this afternoon and our crime scenes are all ready to go. So here we go, we've got all our crime scenes set up for our afternoon session. 15 crime scenes and basically a lot of children now coming in to investigate their crime scenes. Are we ready? But if your team said that it was if your team said that it was you would be absolutely wrong.
Get the dab in there, George. Like it.
Okay, ladies, I'm just going to ask you how you thought the day went today.
I thought it was absolutely brilliant. The children loved it. It was perfectly pitched and got their minds going and loads of techniques that they learned. So just fantastic. Really, really good.
Yeah, I thought it was brilliant for all the ages. All of them just loved it. Yeah, all got involved.
Yeah, so it was really fantastic, really accessible for everybody. We had lots of lovely equipment for them to use.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Pleasure.